my channel. I am Mind Blown Chef. Why? Because I'm gonna blow your mind with my simple step-by-step recipes. Sit back and get your mind blown. Classic spaghetti and meatballs, and we're gonna twist it into vegan, meatless balls and spaghetti. That's right, subscriber request right here. Check out this video all the way through. Woo! Okay, ingredients. We have mushroom, cremini style. We have vegan Parmesan cheese. We have meatless patties of meat. We have flour, we have garlic, I have red onion, fresh basil, fresh oregano, fresh thyme. Now, this pasta right here, this is straight out of Italy. This is made in a factory that is dedicated to pretty much just this pasta because there's no nuts being made, there is no dairy being made, completely 100% vegan and dairy free, obviously, or it wouldn't be vegan. Go to the store, get your favorite tomato sauce, put it in a pot, get it warmed up. I have another pot right here with water, ready for our spaghetti. And then we got a saute pan with a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. And I got the oven on 350. Let's get started. We're gonna start building our meatballs. Meatless balls. So have a bowl set aside. Get your mushroom. We're gonna cut it stem level. Take it, make slices. And then you're gonna take these slices and you're gonna make little tiny cubes. Just like that. For the onion, we cut off both ends, we've peeled it, and then we quartered it. You're gonna take out the center piece right here like this, and then you're gonna come at it like this. The reason I'm doing it like this is because I'm able to get more of a finer cut. We want everything to be nicely small diced. That way it mixes in and infuses with the meatballs good, or meatless balls. So, here we are. Now, should be a lot like that. Okay, vegan Parmesan. Now we're gonna go on the small setting on the box grater, and we're gonna just grate. You're gonna grate enough to mix with the meatless patties. I don't even know what to call these things, to be honest with you. But basically what this Parmesan is gonna do, it's gonna act as a binder. It's gonna help keep the meatballs together, or the meatless balls together. Also, it adds a lot of flavor. So, we'll do enough. I like that. And I've been putting all the ingredients in the bowl. So my onions are in there, mushrooms are in there, Parmesan's in there. So for the oregano and the thyme, you just want to cut off a few sprigs of thyme, and then a few sprigs of oregano. And then what you want to do is you just want to use the leaf, right? So just pick the leaves off, throw them right in the bowl on both the thyme and the oregano. The thyme, you can actually hold it. Let me get a good piece. This is really fresh though, sometimes it's a little drier. You can actually hold it like this and just pull towards you and all the leaves fall right off. Ooh, little trick, little trick. Now we're gonna take the special patties and we're gonna stick them inside the bowl. We're gonna also add some garlic in there. And then we're also gonna add some salt and some pepper, bring out the flavors. And then I have flour here. Now, you're gonna add flour and mix, add a little more flour. The flour is also a binder. And what we wanna do is just make these balls real sticky. So, you may have to add more or less, just adjust accordingly. As you can see, the flour's holding nicely. We can't use egg, obviously. I have about a little bit bigger than a golf ball size meatball. Just roll them out nice, lay them on a baking sheet just to have them ready to go. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually saute these off first. That way we can get some nice color on the outside. It'll give nice texture, nice flavor, and then we're gonna finish it in the oven. So I got the saute pan, it's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drop our meatballs inside there. Now basically all we're doing is, like I said earlier, we're just gonna put some color on all sides. So we're not gonna fully cook it, just get that nice color on there for flavor and for texture. Now we're gonna flip these little guys over. Oh, look at the color on that one. That's basically what we're trying to get. Little color on all sides, guys. Be careful, don't burn your little fingers. Alright guys, there they are. Look at those beautiful little meatless balls. Now we're going to put them in the oven for about 15 minutes and let them finish cooking all the way through. While your meatballs in the oven, go ahead, drop your pasta in the water. Add a pinch of salt for extra flavor. Really important when you drop your pasta in, especially at the very beginning, make sure you work the pasta with your tongs. What it does is it creates the pasta from not sticking together. It'll let the water kind of bubble around the pasta, each individual spaghetti noodle, and it won't stick. We're gonna cook this pasta for about 9 minutes. We're gonna have a colander ready to go. We're gonna strain it off, and then if your pasta's gonna sit for a little while, drop a little bit of olive oil on top. It'll just help keep it from sticking together. Check that out! Vegan meatless balls and spaghetti. Now, look, the only thing I've added is I added a little bit of the shaved vegan Parmesan cheese, and then I took our basil and I cut it chiffonade. Basically, chiffonade is small confetti strips. And you know what that is? Sexy.